Hi guys, how's everyone doing? Today I'm going to be sharing with you a crock pot recipe that is super simple and easy and delicious. It is the slow cooker cracked chicken. It is a chicken bacon ranch sandwich, and this is a great recipe for busy moms and dads out there. Okay, so while I'm cooking, I like to sip on a little bit of Merlot. I like red wine while I cook. It just makes it so much fun. And look how cute this glass is. It says booze. It's from Dollar Tree. And today is Halloween, so happy Halloween. The ingredients that I used for this recipe is this Jimmy Dean hickory smoked bacon. Now I did cut this in half. I saved the other portion in the freezer for another recipe or breakfast because I'm only going to be using a couple of slices for the topping of these sandwiches. And then the recipe also asked for 3 chicken breasts, but I did end up using 4, which worked perfectly well. I also used 2 packages of the Philadelphia cream cheese, 1 packet of the Hidden Valley Ranch salad dressing and seasoning mix, 2 packages of the sharp cheddar cheese, some minced garlic, some rolls, and salt and pepper. Now, you do not need a lot of seasoning for this recipe, just some salt and pepper to season your chicken very lightly because you have that ranch dressing mixture that will give it a ton of flavor. Okay, so the first thing I did was wash and season lightly my chicken breast and placed it right in my crock pot. I then added both packages of the Philadelphia cream cheese. I then added the whole package of the Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning mix. And then I added a tablespoon of minced garlic. The recipe did call for only 1 cup of cheddar cheese, but because we are cheese lovers in my family, I added the whole bag. Now the other bag of cheddar cheese is used for sprinkling it right on top of our sandwiches, and we did have leftover cheddar cheese, and trust me, there are a ton of recipes out there that calls for shredded cheddar cheese, and this cheese did not go to waste. I then closed the lid on my crock pot and cooked the chicken mixture on high for 2 to 3 hours. While my chicken mixture was cooking in the crock pot, I just started cooking the bacon. The recipe only calls for 8 slices of bacon because you're just going to crumble it right on top of your sandwich, but I just used a little bit more, and that's okay. I mean, who doesn't love bacon? Once the bacon was done cooking, I took a couple paper towels, laid it down, placed the bacon on top so I can get rid of some of that grease. And this is what the chicken mixture looks like once it's done in the crock pot. It smells amazing. It's nice and creamy. All the chicken is nicely shredded and cooked. And to go with our sandwiches, I just put some sweet potato fries in the oven. We've been loving the Alexia crinkle cut sweet potato fries with sea salt and black pepper. Then I just took the bacon and chopped it up in little fine pieces. And because I'm extra, I wanted to season and give flavor to our rolls. So I ran out of butter, so I used this coconut oil flavored butter, some garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. I mixed all 3 together. I did not measure, I just seasoned to my liking. I gave it a really good mix, and then I lightly brushed it right on top of our rolls, and I placed our rolls on a baking sheet, placed it in the oven on 350 degrees for a couple minutes, not that long, just so it can get nice and crispy on the outside. I then took that creamy chicken mixture and placed it right inside of the rolls, and then I took the shredded cheddar cheese, sprinkled it right on top, and then I took the crumbled bacon and sprinkled it right on top, We served it with these sweet potato fries, and it was really, really delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for taking the time out to watch, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.